Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Cameron. Welcome. So today's video is gonna be the same thing that I've been doing this whole damn time. It's gonna be another little BoxyCharm unboxing. This one is going to be for the month of January. So it's the new year, new box. It's kind of thicker than the original. Well, the original. The other one that I've normally been getting, they're sort of smaller. So this one is, and if you don't know, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription. You get, I think, 5 products in the box. This one's just the regular one. There's a premium one where I think you get like 6 or 7 items. I'm not sure how much that price is, but this one is, I think, $25, and it comes to you, and you basically get all kinds of products that you just pay 25 bucks for. And then every 3 months, they do one where it's called the Boxy Luxe, and that one is like, they give you like 9 products, and that one is, I think, like 50 bucks. So this one is gonna be the January one. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. Okay, so here it is. So this month is BoxyCharm Breaking the Ice. So it's like an ice theme. Well, this is like the little pamphlet that comes into it. They all come with it. Gives you a little breakdown of all the products used. Products used, all the products that are going to be in here, and then it gives you like the prices and all of their good stuff. Sorry, I'm a little sick, or I was sick. So the first thing is going to be this Skin & Co. Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. Oh, it's like sealed, so that's cool. It's sealed. I can't really open it, but I like the Skin & Co. truffle spray that they did. So if it's anything like that, I'm definitely going to like it. And I just shot some on my shirt. Oh, that smells good. So that is this one. Where is it on here? The Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. This one is $28, so that's really good so far. First thing, $28. Okay, next thing is going to be this, what is this, Queeve? Queeve Studio. This is a matte liquid lip satin. And this is $17. Let me open it. It says this shade is thick skin. So it's gonna looks, oh, it's like a nude. So doesn't smell like anything. And it's like an orange color. It's like an orange nude. That's what it looks like. Orange nude. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that there. And this is $17. Next thing is going to be the Glow Recipe. This is like a mini one. I think the other one's like a lot larger. This is a Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask, and this one is $22. It's a little tiny one. So I'll definitely use this tonight. This is cool. I want to smell it. Let me open it. Ooh, it smells yummy. We'll see how that is. So 2 things for later. Okay, next thing is going to be the Pretty Vulgar Under Eye Concealer, which I don't know what this could be my color, I don't know. This is going to be in the middle ground, 63 the middle ground. Let's see. And this is just an under eye concealer, and this is $25. And then that's the shade. We'll see. And the last thing is going to be the Ace Butte, the Scarlet Dusk palette. Let me see how to open this. Okay. And this is what it looks like. So it's like all these like reddish, pinky, maroon sort of tones. So that is really cute. I really like this orangish red color, so I think I'm gonna definitely use that one. This one comes with 12 eyeshadow colors, and it's really cute, and this is $34.99. And that is all of this stuff that's in this box. So you got an eyeshadow palette, a concealer, a liquid lipstick, an exfoliant, and a sleeping mask, and the total for all of these goes down to, let me see, $126.99. So you basically made you saved $100.99, I think, because the box is like 25 bucks, so you probably saved a little bit more. So that's really cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and do, I guess, all my base, and then I'll come back and we'll do eyes, and then we'll put this liquid lip satin on. Okay, we're back. I did try to use, oh, not this one, sorry. This concealer, it's a little bit too dark for me. It's underneath my eyelids. I mean, it's on my eyelids right now, so that's the way that I use it. I put it there. So we're gonna go ahead and start using our, what is this called? Scarlet Desk palette. So we are just gonna go ahead and start off with this crimson shade. I really wanna just use that shade and then just put that everywhere. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with the E17 from Morphe and go into the crimson shade and just start packing that right here. And I'm like sort of pushing it in before like blending it, because then I'll like blend it. But taking a little bit more of it. Just packing the whole, put it on the whole eye. And then using the same brush just to sort of blend the edge. Just slightly. I'm gonna take another like pretty fluffy brush. This is a Wet n Wild brush. And just go like that. Just like that. And then I don't want to do any other shade, but we're gonna just go ahead and tap a little bit. I feel like you don't really need to choose any more shade, just choose a little bit more crimson just to make it look a little bit more brighter right there. You could honestly just use this shade to make it look really bright in one spot. And I think I'm gonna try a little bit of this one. It's called Shade. It's like a lot darker. Let's put it in the outer corner, sorry. Outer corner. Right there. Taking shade, just slightly deepening it out just a little bit more. And then we're gonna go back in with this brush, nothing on it. It's just a clean, just like that. And then just still doing that. Tap it into crimson, like barely lightly on the bristles, and just sort of tap like that. Just like that. That's pretty much all I want to do. I think I want to take, let's see. So I touched like the 3 shimmer shades. This one's a little bit too orange. This one's kind of like goldy, and this one's kind of pink. Maybe we'll do this one. So we're gonna, see this one. That's a little too much. I think I like this one. So we're gonna do this one. This is the Maui shade. So I am gonna use this because it is kind of like a watery concealer. So I'm gonna use this just to broke up. Maybe I need some more. And there's my little crease. I'm lazy, I didn't want to get a brush. It's a good thing to do. If it's a concealer you don't use, might as well just use the wand. We'll just go down there. And then we're just gonna take a flat brush. This one is the, what is this, Morphe M167. And we're gonna tap it into this Maui shade. It's like a sort of a rose gold pink shade. And I'm just gonna start packing it on. There's kind of a lot of concealer on my eyes, so maybe I need to I'm gonna wet this brush just a little bit and tap into that shade one more time. And then just gonna take that same brush from the beginning, dip into crimson, and diffuse a little edge there. Take this one, tap into crimson one more time. And that's pretty much it. For that, we'll just, and then take a little bit of crimson again and not use that one. Use this one, the same brush, basically using one whole brush, 3 brushes the whole time. And gonna do the under eye. Here, I'm gonna do this. I'm such a baby. That is the finished eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, put mascara on and lashes, and then we'll come back and we'll do our nude color. I don't really know. And we'll be right back. Okay, we're back and both eyes are done. I just threw on some lashes and yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're gonna go ahead and line our lips with this Morphe, what is this, Backseat Love. This is all jacked. We're gonna line our lips and then we're gonna put on that lip. that's the lip line. And then we're gonna go ahead and with this Queen matte lipstick, I guess. And that is gonna be all. I don't think I like this lip this lip color with this eye. The color is not so bad. There's no smell, so if you're someone who is particular who needs like a different smell, then definitely try this out. But overall, let's recap on everything. So I'm just gonna recap. The only thing that I probably don't think I like, which I already put away, is the Pretty Vulgar concealer, because it was a little bit too watery when I was putting it on my eyes, and it was sort of just dragging over all of the shimmer shadow that I was putting on. So I was like sitting there putting it, and then I had to wipe it and then put it. So that's probably the only thing that I didn't like. I like the eyeshadow palette. I only used like 2 shades, 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 shades out of it. So the orange shade I really do like. It's like an orangish red, and it looks really nice on the eyes right now. And then I used the Maui shade, and then I used a little bit of shade. So that is a pretty good palette. You'll be able to do a lot of different colors. The lip's good. That's pretty much it, right? Because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so I'm definitely going to use this later to take all of this off, and then I'll try this tonight. I've seen a lot of people say that this is really good, so we'll see how that works. And yeah, so if you guys, I don't know, subscribe, watch the whole video, watch my other videos, I don't know, give me some feedback. I'm going to try to post more. This new year, I'm going to try to do more videos, so keep watching. Bye, guys.